This carp broke my net.
Oh, is he's hung?
Yeah.
Damn it.
He's still on.
Put it down.
He got off.
That's a nice one, huh? Don't fight him too hard. Yeah, he's trying to get you snagged. Yeah, go that way. Holy shit, that line almost got me. Oh, that's a tank. Oh yeah, that's a better one for sure. Let's let him fight. Let him fight. Uh-oh. Oh, he's getting tired now. That was a good one. Yeah, he's like a fucking 8-pounder.
Take a video of the nigga going.
Yeah, where's he at? It's a good one? That's a good one. Just let him fight. Let him fight. Oh!
No way, they come on.
I thought he came off. Where's he at? Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh! He got right out of the net. He's fighting. He does not want to get caught. Let him go a little bit. Let him go. Oh!
He broke the net. It's still on though.
He did break the net, huh?
No, not the net.
Did he break the
Yeah,
net?
it broke the net. Sorry, guy broke the net.
Oh, I'm gonna get in for him then. What the fuck? I can't get him. How did he fucking... How did he do? Dude, he's bad luck. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, that was ass bad.